how to play Roblox with a controller on PC. So let's say that you want to use a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 controller. You will need to go into Google and search for DS for Windows and click on this first website that pops up. DS for Windows to use PS4 and PS5 controllers. Okay, click on download right here. And then you want to scroll down and you will download this one. So it's going to be the official DS for Windows. And again, you just want to click on download here. Now, once you download it, then you will click on show in folder and it's going to open up like this. Right click, extract all, and you want to extract this file right here. Okay, so once you open it up, Windows 64, you want to go and select DS for Windows. Now you will see where you want them to be saved, so program folder. And now you will need to choose what you want supported. So for example, if you want support for the Nintendo Switch, PS5, Joy-Con here, the Nintendo Switch again, PS4, PS5, and DualShock 3. Okay, so we're gonna select all of these and close. Now you want to click on yes. Here it's going to show you that you will need to install some drivers. And once you install these drivers here, then you will click on finished. And now it's going to detect your controllers if they are connected here. And how can we connect them? If they're Bluetooth, you will go and open up your search for Bluetooth and other devices. And here, if you have connected your controller, it's going to show up and it's also going to appear here, DS for Windows. And another way of how you can do it is a USB controller. So you will search for a USB controller, set up USB cam controllers, click on it, and then here you will be able to add any of your controllers by clicking on this drop down menu, and they will be detected here, and now you will be able to use them to play Roblox. So it's very simple. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.